Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my add-ons. Add-ons are a sale that they have when we're doing our customization, when we're doing our boxes for any given season. They do a lot of other sales throughout the season, specialized sales, edit sales, those kinds of things. But add-ons are something that you can get that will come with your seasonal box. I also didn't talk about refills yesterday, so I have refills and I have my mystery bundle. It's a home bundle. They did not seem to have, at least I never saw, the $39 mystery bundle. If you saw it, let me know below. Something I forgot to show you yesterday. This comes in your Fabfitfun box. And what you get on the back is it's got a little QR code that will take you over to the app and show you what you have in your box. But it's win a free year of Fabfitfun boxes. And it says scratch lightly with a coin to see if you have won. I didn't even realize that this was something that you could win. So I've scratched it and I have a QR code. I'm not gonna show that in case it's the winner. But you have a QR code, you'll go over to the little place they show you and see if you've won a year's worth of Fabfitfun, but I forgot to show you that yesterday. Okay, let's start with this. First off, let's start with refills. Refills are something that you can add to your box and until you cancel it, you will receive it each season. Super easy to cancel. I did it last year. You guys know I was getting the DP Hue for my husband, but I was getting 2 each season. He said he thought we could skip a season, so I took it out of my box. Easy peasy. But they added the rush delivery to refills. So in theory, you don't have to remember it anymore. If you signed up for rush delivery, you signed up for it on a subscription and you will just get it with each season until you cancel it. And it's super easy to cancel, but I am so glad personally that they made it a refill because every year, especially with my second box, because sometimes I have my husband involved in helping me. He makes the choices as I make the choices for my regular box. And if I don't think to tell him to do the rush, that has happened. So I love that it is just a refill now. I don't have to think about it again. Also, I added a different refill because we talk about these so much. And I do have a puppy in my life. And I thought he might like to try these. And I have never had the opportunity to show you guys these in person in case you have a puppy and it's something that you've thought about but you didn't know whether it was worthwhile. Now, Jackson is a golden doodle. I think he's a golden doodle. So he is a bigger puppy. So I got the large set. This is May, the maple leaf. I'm sure that won't drive his mommy and daddy crazy, but it's super cute and big. In case you were wondering how big these things were, guys. This is, like I said, I got the large, but this is big. Kind of questioning now. Oh, I win. I'm kind of questioning now whether I should have gotten the small, but he'll love playing with it. But also, Jackson's gonna love it. Then there is Abe the acorn. I do feel kind of like he's gonna, oh, they all squeak. I have people I'm gonna have to apologize to in my life, but it feels kind of nubbly in there, like he's gonna like the way it feels when you chew on it, and that one is higher pitched. So this is the medium large. Seeing this one, it makes me glad that I got the medium large because I think any smaller than this, he might could have gotten it in his mouth. I don't know how these plush ones hold up. That's probably why you get new ones every 3 months is what I'm guessing, but that is super cute. Oh, and this one, it's firmer. He's gonna love this. This is a good toy. Is it a turkey? I forget. The Twisted Twine Pup Box. So it's just twisted twine. I was trying to make a turkey out of that. But it's just, I guess, things that they can chew on. The inside, the ball part, it's kind of ropey, so it's very firm, and I imagine they probably like to get their little chompers on that and chew. This one's a rope, so. In case you've ever wondered what the puppy toys are like, I thought I would pick those up since I have a Jackson in my life now so that I could show you guys what they look like. These are super cute. I think he's gonna love them. We'll see how they hold up. Add-ons. These are for my mom. Periodically, she has me pick up purple shampoos if somebody has a really good one that she thinks she'd like. And this time, they not only had the shampoo, they had the conditioner that matched it. So it's the Olaplex number 4P, and it's for blondes, I think, is their whole point of it. But my mom has gray hair, and the purple helps it. If you have gray hair, it stops it from yellowing, getting dingy. So she likes to have the purple ones on hand, and these were half price. So I think they were $14 each, so $28 total, and normally it's $30 just for one. These were a great deal. That's the kind of sales you can pick up in Add-Ons, and Olaplex, also great brands. I may have decided that I love the loaf pan that could be in our box. I will put the 2 boxes that I have unboxed up, not in yesterday's, but in my partner box. It was the first one that I did. I did the loaf pan, and I love it. I like it a lot. And I decided that I wanted to add to it. So I got the 2-quart square baker. This did cost me like $3 more than it would on Amazon, but I wanted to have them to show. And this is the 9-inch pie plate. So these will match back to the loaf pan. I was so pleased with the green. Let me show you guys. And I have left up, by the way, my Fabfitfun box. If you haven't seen me unbox it, I will put the card at the end of this for you guys to go over and check out. This is the 8x8 baker. They say it is 2 quarts, so you don't have to think just 8x8 brownies. You can also think anything that you make, like a potato casserole that takes a 2-quart dish, this will be perfect for. I loved the handles on this. I love that green, kind of that it's definitely green, but it has almost a bluish undertone to it. I like it so much. And then I wanted the pie plate too. And isn't that just a gorgeous pie plate? I love the fluting on it, and the little handles, the green color. I just think these are so pretty. So now I have the loaf pan, the pie plate, and the 8x8. I looked on Amazon. There is a 9x13, and the 9x13 has a lid that you can then set it on or just use as a flat piece. It's ceramic like this. It is sold out. I'm trying really hard to keep my eyes open for that. I hope I can find that somewhere because these are beautiful, and I'm going to get rid of, these are big words for me. I'm going to get rid of some of the pieces that I already have. I'm gonna donate them or give them away to friends who would like them. I'm trying to follow now in my kitchen, 1 in, 1 out. And I have an 8x8 and I have pie plates, so I already know which ones I'm getting rid of. Next, I chose, because you guys know, if you watch the channel, I love Thrive Cosmetics. And this is one of their eyeshadows, and I have another one, but this one is a lighter color than the one I have. And what I love about the Thrive Cosmetics eyeshadows that are like this, what do they call them? Infinity Waterproof Eyeshadow Stick. I love, they have such a nice smudging sponge. It's just a nice thick one, and underneath, you can sharpen if you would like to sharpen. I don't, because I don't use them as liners. And if you use it as a liner, it would be far more handy because they come sharp. Well, that's probably better with my dress because they come sharp, but I just use them. Although this one would be great. Try it in the corner of your eyes. Oh, wow. Did it brighten it up a lot? So if you wanted to keep it sharp for that, although you probably wouldn't need it sharp for that, you could smudge it out just a little bit because she's a little bright right there. Yeah, I knew that this ultra light color was a color that I would like. It was a good sale, and it was a product. I love the Thrive Cosmetics products, and I'm trying to do more of the creamy eyeshadows. I'm trying to learn how to work with them, so I thought it would be a great thing to pick up. And last, I have my mystery bundle. They did not have the $39 mystery bundle, but I always get my home mystery bundle. It is big. I don't know what the big thing is yet, so let's take it out and find out. First up top, we have a cup, because cups. We have a lot of cups. I set them up here. The girls can take them and use them. They can take them off for their friends. They get used. Sip, 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 sip. This is really cute. It says it's an $18 value. Oh, that sip, sip, sip thing comes off. It's just the label. This is a deluxe sip, sip tumbler with straw, and it's by Bando. So you can see through it. I don't know. I don't think I can get that across, but you can see through it. All of the shininess is between the 2 layers. I don't think it moves. Although it does sound like it's moving. Actually, I do think it moves. Interesting. So you've got your glitter between the two layers. You would think it would only move a little bit though, or it would all end up on the bottom. Anyway, one of the girls will love it. This bundle is a, I think, $24 bundle. Next out we have To Market Organic Cotton Wrap Carrier. Ooh, she is very intrigued. To the Market is women owned. That is what it looks like in here. Let's get it out. I love the idea of something that's just a new bag. You know, in the county that I live in Maryland, we have gone plastic bag free. So if you don't take your own bags, you have to buy a bag at the store, and it is a paper bag, which is better for the environment, I hear. I remember when we wanted plastic bags, because I hope this is self-explanatory because I just pitched the directions, because bags were killing all the trees. So they went to the plastic bags. Or that's the story they told us, that they were killing all the trees with the paper bags. And now plastic bags are the worst part, and we're back to, if you don't bring your own bag, you need a paper bag. I take my own bags, as long as I remember. I have a lot of bags. So you just put your goodies on the inside. It's just, there's cardboard in there, but in theory, you wouldn't have to keep the cardboard in there. This reminds me of the makeup bag that you get if you sign up for Merit. I've been thinking about trying Merit. I follow somebody who loves them. This reminds me of the bag you get for free. It's much nicer from Merit when you sign up for their brand. But you could just knot the top and have your little, I guess, fruits and veg in there. I don't know that I would do this. If we're gonna be quite honest, I don't know. I don't think I would trust the knot. I would be afraid that, I don't know how the cardboard, let's see what it looks like without the cardboard. I'm not convinced the cardboard is going to hold up. The knot's pretty good though, can't get it undone. Okay, this is more like me. Still not sure I would use it, but without the cardboard in the bottom, just the loosey-goosiness of it, it honestly does feel a little bit more like me. You could chuck your apples. We've been doing tomatoes at the market. Our corn, we're kind of past awesome corn here, but our tomatoes are still gorgeous. They would be fun in here. Little squashes are still good. They would be cute in here. It's pretty. I would almost rather find something to do with it here. Like when I bring my tomatoes home, hook this over the edge of something, you know, like the edge of a chair, and just have my tomatoes stored in it, because don't put your tomatoes in the fridge. The fridge takes all the flavor out of tomatoes. So I will try and find something handy to do with that. I don't think it will be going to the market with me, if I'm being honest. And last out, we have an Exo Sienna whiteboard planner. It says it's wipe clean, made in China, TSCA, Title 6 compliant. I'm not sure what that is. Let's see what it looks like. This is another one of the things I think my girls might like. This might not be something that I keep for here. It might be something my girls are going back to school, and one of them might like this to keep their life organized. Although I do everything in writing, I tend to work out of books. Oh goodness, it's pink. Oh yeah. I'm gonna give this to one of the girls. They can wrestle for it. This is the same kind of pen. This must be, I have one of these on my fridge downstairs, and it is this exact same pen. So it must have come from Fabfitfun. It must be an Exo Sienna. But this is broken down Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then notes over here. This is one of the markers that works perfectly on it, and the top of the marker, I happen to know, is an eraser based on the one I have downstairs. Yes, this one is too. This is really cute. It doesn't really fit into my life, so I will pass it on to one of the girls. Oh, I just ripped it. These two are magnets, and it has a hanging hook on the back, so it'll be super easy for them to use. Yeah, that's cute. So that's my home bundle. We received this little bag. Oh, and the cup. I will probably use the bag, and I will probably pass these on to my girls. This is very handy. Do not get me wrong. I could probably find purpose for that in my life. But with the pink of it, I think in one of my girls' rooms, this would be so much cuter. I can even think of which one. I'll just call her number 2. She's the one that does the videos with me most often. I think she would like this a lot. Okay, that is it. That is our refill story. So now your rush shipping, which if I didn't say earlier, rush shipping, I just touched on it, right? You get within 2 weeks, I think, of the time customizations close. I think that is the claim to fame. I always do. It comes super quick. Everybody else still gets theirs before me. Everybody that does Rush, for whatever reason, whether it's regular, if I don't do Rush, or Rush if I do it, I'm at the back end. I don't know if it's a pocket of my mail delivery. I don't know if I'm on a list somewhere. I don't know. But even at that, 2 weeks is from the time it closes to the time I get it at most. That's fantastic. Thank you so much for coming by and checking out my add-ons and my refills and my mystery bundle. If you have any questions, let me know below. I am happy to help. I am a FabFit partner. This is all goodies that I bought with my own money. I have 2 of my own, pay for with my own money, annual boxes. I do additional selections, all of this. I am just also a FabFitFun partner, and I did have a partner box. I will put the other 2 boxes right here, and you can go over and check them out if you haven't seen them. Thank you so much for coming by. I will put my codes down below that will get you 20% off a seasonal or a free gift if you sign up as an annual. Thanks again for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.